Hi there, and welcome. My name's Tristan Bailey from Holdingbay. You can reach us at holdingbay.co.uk. This is our YouTube channel where we look to offer advice and answer your questions and share what we do in developing websites for companies that specialise in high-ticket B2B manufacturing processes. We work in fields of web development backed by analytics. So we can take on full service products, but we especially like to take on products that help move a customer's value forward and integrate with their sales chains. Our process is between first integrating and improving backend and in-house data flows to the website, so unlocking value and improving the staff's workflow with editing data and updating things, making that as easy as possible. Or potentially there's internal databases that are good to work with that are able to be cleaned and accessed externally in a safe way. Then we move that forward and connect that with marketing automation and improve the workflows through the funnel for the customer, make that personalized but satisfying, that the customer is engaged and can move forward learning more about the brand. Next, moving those forward, we can integrate those with newer, smaller services, whether that's more product selection and engaging with product online, or using some of that data that we have internally on product ranges, tool selection, to make small applications or pieces that customers find much more useful to advance their sales process and reference for documentation or for product assembly and the like. And finally, we back that all with being data-driven by setting up dashboards and analytics to have clear KPIs that make the value easy to understand and sensible for both internal achievement and improvement, as well as bringing in that value from the customers, moving from not being aware of the brand through the stages until they're customers and drive the bottom line of a company. So thank you, and come and talk to us about your web development or share your website, and we'd be happy to give it a review on the channel. Thank you.